create a distance with sort of crossing the data. I don't need this.
Hi guys, we are practical creators. On the basis of this channel, we are doing Arduino programming and electronics project. Let's see what's today's topic.
Guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a smart dustbin using Arduino. So let's get started. So the materials required for this project are an Arduino Uno, an ultrasonic sensor, a 9G servo, some jumper wires, and you also need a dustbin, which you can see there. So first let's do the connection. So first you have to take the ultrasonic sensor and you have to find out the trigger pin and the echo pin. So you have to give the connection it using a male to female wire. So we have to give the trigger pin to the digital pin 5 of the Arduino. And we have to give the echo pin to the 6th digital pin of the Arduino. Okay guys, now we have to give to the digital pin 6. Okay guys, now our ultrasonic sensor is ready. So now we have to give the connections servo. So we are giving the signal pin to the digital pin 7 of the Arduino, and we have to give the rest 2 pins to the power supply, which is the 5 volt, plus 5 volt, and the ground. So first I'm giving the ground and I'm leaving the plus 5 volt. So now we have to give the power supply to the ultrasonic sensor. So first I'm giving the ground pin, which will be giving it to the Arduino. So now let's give a male to female wire to the ground of the ultrasonic sensor, and we are giving it to the ground of the Arduino. So now let's give the plus 5 volt, that is a VCC of the ultrasonic sensor, to the Arduino. So now I'm just leaving this wire because we are having 2 plus 5 volts, but in the Arduino we are having a single plus 5 volts. So I'm now connecting it to the breadboard. You can use also a mini breadboard, which is in a small size, will be useful for placing it on the dustbin. So I'm now giving the plus 5 volt from the Arduino, and I'm now giving the VCC pin of the ultrasonic sensor and the VCC pin of the servo. So now we are delivering plus 5 volts to both the servo and the ultrasonic sensor. So now our circuit is completed. So now the left is we have to upload the code to the Arduino board. So let's see, this is the Arduino code. I will give this in the description box. You may also check the circuit diagram, which is in the description box. So guys, now we are completed uploading the code to the Arduino. So now test this circuit. So guys, this is Arduino. I connected plus 5 volts from a charger. So you can see that the servo is working, and it's again coming in a delayed time. Okay guys, now let's use the dustbin which we are using for the project. So you should take a dustbin, and you may take the cardboard or any other foam board. So you have to cut it in such a way that I am showing. So it should open like this. So we have to glue it to the dustbin using glue gun, or you can use any other glues to stick it out. So guys, we are now applying the glue to the cardboard. And we will be sticking it to the dustbin which we are using for our project. So guys, now we will stick the cardboard to the dustbin. So we have to press it firmly so that it sticks perfectly, and you may also fill out the holes which lies on the corners or the sides. You can fill it with glue. Okay guys, now we are completed sticking the cardboard. So now let's test our circuit by placing it on. So the circuit works. Now we are going to connect it to the cardboard using a of wire, which is little bendable. You can see this wire which pulls out the cardboard, and which in turn gives us the dustbin open. So we have to make a hole on the cardboard which is bendable. So you can use a scissor to open the hole, and you have to place the wire in the cardboard. So guys, after placing the wire in the cardboard, we will be making a knot inside the